Hello and welcome to another Blender how-to video. So in this instance, we've created two Susanos, one with a different material than the other, and all we're really going to do is show you how we can copy modifier data from one to another. So select this one, right? Let's add a simple modifier and see what is something decent but not too bad. Let's decimate a little bit. All right. Oh, it looks nice. All right. And now we select this one and this one. Actually, we select this one first, and then we select the second one, the modifier. So we can copy the modifier from this one. Then Control L, and all we're gonna do is copy modifiers. And so there, we've copied or transferred the modifier from one Susano to another. And I'm not sure if it works like I think it works, but if we change this up, yeah, okay, they're not linked. So however you modify this modifier over here, it's not going to affect this one, just to let you know. All right, thanks for listening. Till the next time.